Hello class. Today you're going to be learning about fictional narratives. What is a fictional narrative? A fictional narrative is a story that's not true. It's made up, make-believe. It's written to entertain a reader. You want to make the reader laugh or feel different things. For example, stories with dragons or Jack and the Beanstalk. Those are fictional narratives. What do I include in a fictional narrative? Your first paragraph will be an introductory paragraph. This is also called your exposition. Remember we talked about the flow of a story with the beginning, the exposition, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, and then the resolution or conclusion. So our introductory paragraph sets the stage for our story. The next section we have is the body. The first body paragraph is creating the problem. What is the problem in the story? The second paragraph is the climax of the story. What's the most exciting part? Remember, climax is like the cliffhanger. What if I stop that story right then and go to commercial? What happened? And third paragraph is your falling action. What happened after the climax? And then your last paragraph, your fifth paragraph, is your conclusion paragraph. Your resolution of the problem. How was the problem solved that you created in paragraph 1? Or in the body paragraph of 1. Alright, so we have our introduction. We develop our character, we use lots of descriptive words, and we create a picture of your setting with the words. For example, if I said the topic was you wake up in a new land. So describe or tell about the story that happens to you in this new land. So you want to describe the new land and thinking about using as many sensory words, your 5 senses, use as much as you can so that your reader knows exactly where and when your story is taking place. Alright, your first body paragraph creates a problem. What is the character trying to do or overcome? Use lots of details and descriptive words so your reader understands how much trouble your character is in. What's the problem or problems in our story? Next we have our climax. Create the climax. This is the part that will have your readers hanging off the edge of their seats. This is the part where it seems as though things can't get worse for your reader and make your reader wonder, will everything be okay? So we talked about exposition, the beginning of our story, the rising action. Think about this as your introduction. Your rising action is your first body paragraph. Your second body paragraph is that climax. The falling action is what we're getting ready to talk about next. Paragraph 3. This is the falling action. It's the paragraph where you start to tie up all the loose ends and any issues you may be having. Someone comes to save the day or brings things start to get better. Things change for your character or characters. And in the conclusion, your resolution, this is where the problem is solved. Everything is finally better with what's happened with the reader, and it tells how the problem is solved using lots of descriptive words. Alright, well, your next assignment is to be working on creating your fictional narrative. Alright, good luck.